The date for the CBI, APP, and PP exam has been notified by UPSC, and the exam will be held on 11th of January 2026, Sunday, 10 a.m. So, this will be a combined test where the vacancies for assistant legal advisor in ED and three vacancies for assistant director corporate law serious fraud investigation office, 25 vacancies for company prosecutor, 19 vacancies for assistant public prosecutor, and 25 vacancies for post of public prosecutor in CBI will be held together. And these are the centers. So this is the scheme of the test. You can go through it. The exam will be of 300 marks and there is a penalty for wrong answer. We have the syllabus, updated syllabus also. This will be applicable for all the exams because this is a combined exam. So for PP and APP you have to prepare the same syllabus. The syllabus includes the constitution. We have Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Sakshya Adhiniyam, Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, IT Act, Prevention of Corruption, Companies, CVC, Money Laundering, DSPE, Environment and Companies Act. So they have actually shortened the syllabus. बहुत कम हो गया अब syllabus, so it will be easy for you to prepare for this. Now you can just check this on their official website. The date is 11th of January. A lot of time has been given for the preparation. The syllabus has been shortened and पुराने criminal laws नहीं आ रहे हैं, सिर्फ नए criminal laws करने हैं. And this prevention of corruption, IT, these were asked. They used to ask this earlier, then बीच में modify किया था syllabus, but now they are back to their previous syllabus only. I guess this Environment Protection Act is the new addition. Apart from this, all the acts were there. So